Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Hope you all are safe and healthy staying in your home. Students, today we are going to learn about simple past tense and past continuous tense of our lesson A Trip to Andaman. Students, about simple past tense and past continuous tense you have already learned in your earlier classes, right? Let us start. Simple tenses: present, past and future. Okay students, the tense of a verb shows when something happens. Okay, for example, I run every day. Students, this is present tense. I ran yesterday. This one, past tense. I will run tomorrow. This is future tense. Right students? The simple tense verb simply indicates actions in present, past and future. Okay students? The simple tense verbs simply indicate actions in present, past and future. Okay? The simple present tense is used to indicate the following: habits, regular events, current situations, general truths or facts. Okay students? It resembles the base form of a verb, but we add s or es or ies when the subject is in the third person: he or she or it. Okay? For example, I spy. You spy. She spies. The simple past tense is used to indicate an action that has already happened before speaking. Okay students? We add ed to the base verb. For example, I spied. Irregular verbs take different forms. For example, I swam. This one, simple past tense of the irregular verb swim. Okay students? The simple future tense is used to indicate an action that will happen after speaking. We add will or shall before the base verb. Okay students? For example, I will tell you my answer. Imperative sentences use verbs in simple present tense. The verb stays in the base form. Okay students? For example, soak the clothes in soap water. Okay? Interrogative sentences is simple tense. Simple tenses begins with to do or to be verbs followed by the subject and the main verb. Okay students? Interrogative sentences in simple tenses begin with to do or to be verbs followed by the subject and the main verb. For example, does she hate going to the movies? Here, the sentence begins with to do verb does is followed by the subject she and the main verb hate. Okay students? Okay students, hope you understood the simple past tense. Students, here we have in your textbook, read the following lines taken from the lesson. Soon after the examinations were over, Mom made preparations for the trip. On the 25th of April, we took the Pinakini Express from Vijayawada and reached Chennai at 1 p.m. Students, here the underlined words are verbs in the simple past tense and refer to actions that took place in the past. The simple past tense is used here to talk of completed actions in the past. Okay? Students, here below is the action plan prepared by the headmaster of Mahatma Gandhi Jilla Parishad High School, Dosekayapalli, for a tour to Nagarjuna Sagar project. They finished their tour on 15/10/2011. Describe the tour in the past tense by making appropriate changes in the verbs given in the action plan. Like here we have a action plan. 6 a.m. board the bus at the school. 8:30 a.m. stopped at Elur for breakfast. 12 noon reached the spot. 1 p.m. take lunch. 1:30 to 3:30 p.m. visit the Nagarjuna Sagar project. 3:30 to 4:30 p.m. visit the museum. 4:40 p.m. visit Yettipotala Falls. 5 p.m. board the bus. 8:30 p.m. take supper at Elur. 10:30 p.m. reach the school. Students, this is the action plan. You need to write down this action plan in simple past tense. Okay, students? By using this action plan, you can describe in the past tense, you can start like this. On 15/10/2011, the students of NGZPH, means it's a which school students? Mahatma Gandhi Jilla Parishad High School, Dosekayapalli, started their tour to Nagarjuna Sagar project. They boarded the bus at the school at 6 a.m. Like this, you can continue the action plan in simple past tense. Okay, students? Now, let us learn about the past continuous tense. Along with that, we can recall, students, about the continuous tense, present, past and future continuous tense. Okay? Let us begin. Continuous tenses, present, past and future. Okay, students? Let us begin. All continuous tenses are formed with a helping verb plus a main verb having an ing form. Okay, students? The verb phrase in the present continuous tense is formed with is or are or am plus ing verb. Okay? The present continuous tense indicates an action that is going on at the time of speaking or writing. Okay, students? For example, she is jumping. We are jumping. I am jumping. The verb phrase in the past continuous tense is formed with was, were plus ing verb. Okay, students? The past continuous tense indicates an action that was going on in the past. For example, she was jumping, we were jumping, I was jumping. The verb phrase in the future continuous tense is formed with will plus be plus ing verb. Okay, students? The future continuous tense indicates an action that will be going in the future or is certain to happen in the future. For example, they will be going to the garden. I will be going with them. She will be coming to. Okay, students? we can form negative sentences and questions using verbs in continuous tenses. We form negative sentences in the present and past continuous tenses. Okay, students, negative sentences in the present and past continuous tenses. Using this pattern, subject plus helping verb plus not plus base verb plus ing, rest of the sentence plus full stop. Okay, students? For example, she is not dancing well. Students, in this sentence, she is the subject, is a helping verb, and dancing base verb plus with a ing. Okay, students? One more example. He was not running fast. He is the subject, was is the helping verb, and running is a base verb with ing form. Okay, students? We form negative sentences in the future continuous tense using this pattern. Subject plus will plus not plus be plus base verb plus ing plus rest of the sentence plus full stop. For example, we will not be coming to the mall. Students, here we is the subject, will is the helping verb, and coming is the base verb with ing. In order to form question sentences in the present and past continuous tenses, we use this pattern: helping verb plus subject plus base verb plus ing plus rest of the sentence plus question mark. For example, is she dancing well? Students, in this sentence, is the helping verb, she is the subject, and dancing is the base verb with ing. Okay, students? One more example. Was he running fast? Was in this sentence is a helping verb. He is the subject and running is the base verb with ing. Okay, students? To form question sentences in future continuous tense, we use this pattern: helping verb plus subject plus be plus base verb plus ing plus rest of the sentence plus question mark. Okay, students? For example, will they be coming to the mall? In this sentence, will is the helping verb, they is the subject, coming base verb with ing. Okay, students? Students, hope you understood about past continuous tense. Here we have in your textbook, read the following lines taken from the lesson. Some foreign tourists on the beaches were basking in the sun and enjoying themselves. The underlined verbs were basking and were enjoying are in the past continuous tense. The past continuous tense is used to talk about or just describe an action which someone was doing or an event which was happening at a particular time in the past. Right, students? Here we have fill in the blanks with appropriate forms of the verbs given in the brackets. You need to fill these blanks by using appropriate verb forms. In a bracket you have verbs also. Okay, students, like they dash with each other when the police dash. In a bracket you have two verbs, fight and arrive. You need to write down the appropriate verb form in the blank. And next one, when Rajesh dash, he dash down and dash his leg. And you have a verb, run, fall, injure. And third one, while he dash it dash to rain. And you have verbs, play, begin. Okay, students? Like that, you have 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th and 8th along with the verbs. You need to write down the appropriate form of the verb in the blank and you need to complete that blank. Okay students, like this you need to complete these blanks by using the past continuous tense. Okay students, let's stop here. We will discuss more about simple past and past continuous tense in our live class. Till then, thank you and Allah Hafiz.